I notice that I think the most when I am doing very normal things, not when I sit down to think, not when I try to reflect, just when my hands are busy and my mind is free to wander. Like when I am brushing my teeth in the morning, I am standing there, half awake, staring at my reflection, and my brain is already moving. I think about what I need to do later. I think about what I forgot to do yesterday. I think about what I should wear, even though I already know I will probably wear the same thing I always do. Sometimes I think about work while I am still in my pajamas. I think about a meeting that is coming up. I think about something I want to say, and then I imagine how the conversation might go. I imagine myself explaining something clearly. Then I imagine myself explaining it again because the other person looks confused. I am still brushing my teeth when all of this happens. When I make coffee, my thoughts slow down a little. I like that part. I wait for the machine to finish, and while I am waiting, I look around the kitchen. I notice a cup I forgot to put away. I tell myself I will clean it later. I know I probably will not. While the coffee is brewing, I think about small things. Did I reply to that message yesterday? Did I actually send it? Or did I just think about sending it? I tell myself I will check my phone later, but then I forget about it the moment the coffee is ready. When I am driving, my thoughts feel louder, especially when the road is quiet. I look at other cars and wonder where people are going. Are they going to work? Are they already tired? Are they listening to music or sitting in silence like me? Sometimes I replay conversations in my head while I am driving. Not arguments, just normal conversations. I think about how I could have said something differently, or how I should have explained something more clearly. It is not stressful. It is just there. At red lights, my mind jumps to random things. I remember that I need to buy groceries. Then I remember that I forgot to make a list. Then I remember that I never stick to the list anyway. By the time the light turns green, I am already thinking about dinner. When I walk into a store, my thoughts change again. I focus on what I need. But I also notice everything else: the music playing, the way people walk slowly in the aisles, the person in front of me who cannot decide what to buy. While I am standing in line, I think about time, how standing there for 2 minutes feels longer than it actually is. I tell myself it is fine. I am not in a rush, but my foot still taps on the floor without me noticing. When I am at home doing laundry, my mind feels calm. I take clothes out of the dryer and think about when I last wore them. I remember where I was, who I was with. It surprises me how clothes can hold small memories like that. Sometimes I fold clothes and think about absolutely nothing. That does not happen often, but when it does, I notice it right away. It feels quiet, simple, nice. When I wash dishes, my thoughts come back again. I look at the sink and think about how quickly things pile up. One cup, one plate. Then suddenly the sink is full. I think about how that happens in other parts of life too. But I stop myself before it turns into something deep. I am just washing dishes. There is warm water. There is soap. There is no need to overthink it. While I am doing these small things, my thoughts move freely. They jump from work to friends to plans to nothing at all. I do not try to control them. I let them show up and leave on their own. And somehow these ordinary moments are when my thoughts feel the most honest. Not dramatic, not important, just real. When I am cleaning my apartment, my thoughts move in a very slow, relaxed way. I start by picking things up from the floor. A jacket on the chair, a bag by the door, shoes that somehow never make it back to the shelf. As I move things around, my mind follows along. I think about where I put things and why. Why I always leave my keys in the same spot. Why I drop my bag on that chair instead of anywhere else. It feels automatic, like my body already knows what to do before I think about it. Sometimes, while wiping the table, I think about people I talked to earlier that day. Not the whole conversation, just one sentence, one tone of voice, one facial expression. I wonder if they meant something by it. And then I tell myself it probably does not matter. When I am cooking, my thoughts become very practical. What do I already have? What can I make without going to the store again? I open the fridge and stare at it longer than I need to. Not because I am confused, just because my brain likes to pause there. While chopping vegetables, I think about my schedule for the rest of the week. What days feel busy? What days feel light? I think about which evenings I will probably be too tired to do anything, and which evenings I might still have energy. Sometimes I remember small tasks I keep putting off. Sending a message, making an appointment, looking something up online. I tell myself I will do it after dinner, then I forget again. When I take a shower, my thoughts feel different. The sound of the water makes everything else fade a little. I think about how nice it feels to stand there and do nothing else. No phone, no screen, just water and time. In the shower, I sometimes rehearse conversations. Not serious ones, just everyday ones. What I might say to a coworker tomorrow, how I might respond if someone asks me a question. I do not feel nervous about it. It is more like my brain is warming up. When I dry my hair or put lotion on my hands, my thoughts slow down again. I notice small physical things, the smell of soap, the sound of the fan, the quiet of the room. When I sit down to eat, my mind is still moving, but more gently. I think about what I am watching, whether I want background noise or silence. I scroll through options and realize I am not really in the mood for anything specific. Sometimes I eat and think about plans I made with friends. Who suggested it? Who has not replied? I wonder if we will actually meet or if it will get rescheduled again. When I take out the trash, I think about how often small chores repeat themselves. You do them, they disappear, then they come back. There is something strange but comforting about that. When I check the mail, my thoughts shift quickly. Bills, ads, packages. I sort through everything and feel relieved when there is nothing important. While walking back inside, I think about how quiet the building feels. Who else is home? Who is still out? I wonder what their evenings look like compared to mine. These everyday moments give my mind space to move without pressure. I am not trying to solve anything. I am not trying to improve myself. I am just thinking while doing normal things. And somehow, that feels enough. When I sit down on the couch at the end of the day, my thoughts do not stop right away. They change pace. They feel softer, less rushed. I take off my shoes and notice how good it feels to not stand anymore. I lean back and look around the room. I notice little things I usually ignore. A lamp that needs a new bulb. A book I started but never finished. A blanket folded neatly, even though I know it will not stay that way. While sitting there, I think about the day I just had. Not in a big, serious way, just small moments. A short conversation. A quick laugh. Something that felt slightly awkward, but harmless. Sometimes I think about messages I have not replied to yet. Not because I am avoiding them, just because I did not feel ready to answer earlier. I wonder if I should reply now or wait until tomorrow. I tell myself tomorrow is fine. When I scroll on my phone, my thoughts jump quickly. One picture, one video, one headline. Each one brings a new idea, a new reaction. Then it disappears just as fast. I notice how easy it is to lose track of time during moments like this. 5 minutes turn into 15. 15 turn into 30. I do not feel guilty about it. I just notice it. Sometimes I think about people I have not talked to in a while. Old friends. People I used to see often. I wonder what they are doing now. If their routines changed. If they still like the same things. When I get up to refill my water, my mind follows me. I walk slowly. I enjoy the quiet. I listen to the sound of my steps on the floor. It feels grounding. While waiting for the water to get cold, I think about the weekend. Not plans, just the feeling of it. Sleeping in a little, moving slower. Not checking the time so often. When I finally get ready for bed, my thoughts become quieter, but not empty. I think about what I will wear tomorrow, what I will probably eat for breakfast. Nothing exciting, nothing important. I notice how my body knows when it is time to rest. Even if my mind is still wandering, I turn off the lights. I lie down. I adjust the pillow. In the dark, my thoughts feel distant. They are still there, but they do not demand attention. They float in and out. And somewhere between one small thought and the next, I feel myself letting go, not forcing sleep. Just allowing the day to end on its own. These everyday moments are where my thoughts live most naturally. Not loud, not deep, just part of the rhythm of a normal day.